Update for today's video, nakapag-harvest na ako ng isang malaking ampalaya at ginawa kong salad. So, ayan. Ginawa ko siyang salad. Mayroon siyang pineapple tidbits, tapos carrots, pineapple, apple, tapos mayroon siyang onion at raisins. And then, nakagawa din ako nitong gulay. So, ayan, malaki siya as in. So, crunchy and manamis-tamis. Masarap siya pang salad. You like it? Apple. So, si Eileen, di pa, ayaw niya yung, kasi mapait-pait. No? Salad from my garden. It's yummy. Good one.